Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll be showing you how I make my whipped mango butter. This butter is super moisturizing for your hair and skin. To get started, you will need mango butter. I also use Kokum Butter and a blend of oils. You can use any other butter of your choice. So I combined the Kokum Butter with the mango butter, and I'm going to put this over some hot water. I left this to sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes until everything was melted down. If you want a less greasy mixture, you can use the arrowroot powder. This helps a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my blend of oils to my melted butter. I used extra virgin olive oil and grapeseed oil. Mix thoroughly. I will have everything I used in the description box. So you're going to put this in your fridge or freezer. I put mine for about 20-30 minutes, and this is what the consistency looks like. You don't want something too hard, otherwise it's going to be hard for you to whip up the mixture. So now I'm just going to mix everything with my mixer until it's nice and fluffy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Esther and I make DIY hair and skincare videos. If that's something you would enjoy, I hope you would consider subscribing. Now I'm going to add my essential oils. You can use whichever ones you like. You're just going to keep mixing until you get the consistency you like. You want something that's light and fluffy. If you want a less greasy texture, you can add your arrowroot powder when you are whipping the butter. This is what my mango butter is looking like. Depending on what texture you're going for, if you want something really thick, then you're going to use more butter. If you want something on the lighter side, then you're going to use more oils. So now I'm just going to transfer my butter into my Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to transfer that to my containers. The mango butter is ready for use. You can use this for your hair and your skin. Keep in mind that it's going to look and feel light and loose, but it's going to get thicker and it's going to get even more firm as time goes on. I'm going to show you what it looks like a week later. This is what the butter is looking like a week later. It's definitely thickened up, but it's still soft and creamy. So, go on and try this. It's super easy to make and great benefits for your hair and skin. I used the butter as a moisturizer on my freshly washed hair. So I just basically used it to two-strand twist my hair, and I left it till the next day, and I took out my twists and my hair was super moisturized. So I would say definitely give this a try, and you can mix and adjust it to better suit you. but I love the results. This is one of my favorite butters to use, as well as my shea butter. So I hope you try this out. If you don't have time to make your own butter, or you just want something already made, I will leave a link in the description box below. I have these butters already made on my website, ready to purchase. So go on and check it out. I will have everything in the description box. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, comment, like, and share this video. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, be well and take care. Bye-bye.